So today, guys, I have something really special for you. I am driving Travis Scott's Pirelli Edition Lamborghini Aventador. Unbelievable. It's been crazy. I brought it down here to my buddy's hangar to do a photo shoot with it, with this airplane, and we've got an SV, and of course we've got the Performante. Anniversario's not here, it's off getting service, but oh my god, this Pirelli Edition is insane. So I'm going to show you around, and what an incredible experience driving Travis Scott. Actually, I'm going to show you, this car was on the cover of one of his albums, so it's crazy. Look at it. In front of me, we have, like I said, the Perf. There's the M5 rolling by. All right, he's leading. That thing did some crazy donuts today. A little unreal. But here we go. And we're off. Oh, he did not. He just did a slalom through the cones that are on the road here. Oh my god, too funny. So, let me tell you a little bit about this car. So, as you know, the Lamborghini Aventador was introduced. I gotta put the lift system up here, going out. Was introduced in 2000. Actually, it was unveiled in 2010. I was one of the first customers to see it in a private showing. And then they released it in 2011 at the Geneva Auto Show, and they started producing them later that year. So my first Aventador was the yellow one, mellow yellow, and had a lot of fun with that car, but that was LP 700, and they produced that for a while until they came up. This guy cutting his lawn just gave us a thumbs up. Until they produced the SV, of course. We now have the Aventador S, and we have the Aventador SVJ, and of course the Aventador J is kind of a one-off car. Oh great, Dr. M3 played on, huh? That goddamn guy. Well, when you get to the stop sign, you can run over and grab it. Look, we've got people watching us. Anyway, so moving right along. So, the Pirelli Edition was a car that was mostly cosmetic. You can see it has the red stripe inside on the roof. It has it on the seats. There's some badging on the sides here as well. It also has some accents on the outside as well. That indicates that it's a Pirelli Edition. And the roof, there are some stripes along the roof. So that's how you can tell a Pirelli Edition. The interesting fact about this car, owned by my friend Ravi, who I thank him very much, Ravi, for giving me the opportunity to drive the car today, was formerly owned by none other than Travis Scott. Now, this car, if you look at the album, you will see that this car is the very car that's on the cover, oh my god, of that album. This very car. So, I have the opportunity to drive it today, and oh my god, I mean, you know, the 720, the Anniversario, which unfortunately is off to service, so we didn't get a chance to show it and actually put it as a part of the photo shoot today. It would have been nice to have the two greens and this black car with the plane, but that's okay. Having said that, it's really cool to see all the accents on this car. And although I don't think the Pirelli edition is a special edition Aventador. It is not a numbered car. And they're out of production now, so you can't really order a Pirelli edition anymore. So, that being said, you want to stop here and grab the plate?
I think there's a more. He's just going.
Alright, got copy.
Not sure exactly where we're going either.
Oh, oh my God! Whoa! I'm telling you, the Aventador is the platform to be in. And you know, it's funny, although we're driving in some country roads here, I can't help but think back to my experience just a couple of weeks ago in Italy, driving the SVJ, which was a dream come true. And so I've put 2 videos out now on the Aventador SVJ, specifically called Road to the SVJ, or Road to the Aventador SVJ. I'm going to be putting videos together talking about and kind of showing you this process. So I have 2 videos. The first heading over to Lamborghini to spec the car. The second video is actually speccing the car. You got to go watch that. You can see my reaction to seeing what we did. And Lamborghini has never done this on a car before, so it's pretty unique. And then the next video is going to actually be, which will be released in the next couple of days or so, if it's not already released by the time you see this, is going to be me driving the Aventador SVJ with an amazing test driver on the streets in Sant'Agata Bolognese, the home of Lamborghini, including the Balboni Highway. Mind just blown. It's one of those things that you just never would have expected, and it's beyond a dream come true for me. And so we'll be putting videos together on this journey, and I'd love for you to come along. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the notification button, so that when I release those videos, you get notified, because apparently YouTube is not sending my subscribers, my 125,000 subscribers, my video, so it is what it is based on their algorithm. Not complaining, because those of you who watch, I really appreciate you. No, it's not about clickbait or anything like that for me. It's all about having fun, and it's just been an incredible time. Just awesome. This is a view right here. The SV is ridiculous. Oh my God, it sounds so good. Craziness. Woo! These cars are unbelievable. You just gotta love them. They move, they're responsive, and so if you're ever looking for a car, and again, the Pirelli editions, and by the way, so the SVJ is going to be the last sort of lightweight version of the Aventador. There's not going to be another SV variant of the Aventador. There will be a variant of the Aventador S that will come out after the SVJ, but I've been told that the SVJ is it for the Lamborghini Aventador, for the Aventador platform. So it's gonna be, you know, the SVJ. That's it. I'm gonna put the window down just a little bit to get a little bit of noise from. Oh my gosh. This thing, I can't thank my buddy Ravi enough for allowing me to test drive and review this Pirelli Edition. I mean, it literally just got delivered 2 days ago. He's been out of town. He's not driven this car here locally yet. I think he did when he went to buy it. And so that's a degree of trust. But, you know, when it's Lamborghini family, we trust each other. So, wow. Guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. It was an awesome time driving this car and knowing that, you know, Travis Scott owned it. Again, I want to shout out to my buddy Ravi for allowing me to drive this car. His Instagram handle is down below. Go give him a follow, and we'll see you guys in the next video.